So, how do you post on Plebbit? As described in my previous video, posting on Plebbit currently requires either a crypto domain as your username or adding your Plebbit address to the developer whitelist. Let's link your crypto domain to your Plebbit address. Firstly, you need to buy either a .eth or .sol name. I will use Ethereum name service. After you have bought your domain, you need to log into your account. After that, you need to open up the Plebbit downloadable client or web browser instance. We will use the downloadable instance of seedit, which you can download from GitHub. When the instance is installed and open, click Preferences in the top right corner, click the question mark, and then copy your unique 12D address. Now we are going to add a text record that links your ENS address to your 12D Plebbit address through the ENS website. Click the My Names section. Then click on the crypto domain you bought. Then click Records. Then click Edit Records. And then click Add Record. Type this text record name and add it. Paste your 12D address from earlier, and then save the record. Now you need to sign the transaction with your wallet. I'm using a hardware wallet through Brave browser, so I'll sign that off screen. After you sign the record transaction, you should get this screen. It'll take some time to load. Then go back to the seedit instance. Go back to Preferences under your account, and then save your crypto domain that you just added in this section. Here, I can see that my address was added successfully. Try making a post to check that it works. Now let's do some troubleshooting. If you try to save your crypto domain but you get this error message, you probably made an error somewhere before, like a typo, when you tried to add your text record to your domain. If your account doesn't add and you can't post, you should check if the address can resolve peer-to-peer. Type your address and click Check. If you don't get this green message, then you probably did a typo somewhere earlier on. Another possible issue is where your username doesn't load, shown here. To fix this, go to Task Manager and then end all the seedit instance processes and then restart the app. Your username should now show. So we've covered how to post with crypto domains, but the other way you can post is by adding your sub-Plebbit address to the developer whitelist. This enables you to post without a crypto domain. To do this, get your 12D address from before found under Preferences and send a message to the developers saying you want to be added to the whitelist. Also, don't fall for scammers impersonating the developers or fake Plebbit Telegram groups. Finally, let's talk about the Plebbit roadmap. The developers are currently working on a number of anti-spam challenges beyond the crypto domains and the whitelist. For example, the devs are working on safeguarding sub-Plebbits with an SMS verification, a crypto balance requirement, or using your social media like X or Telegram to post. It is up to each sub-Plebbit owner to decide what type of anti-spam mechanism they want to use. Sub-Plebbit owners can still currently use a CAPTCHA or math challenge, but they are highly vulnerable to AI spam, which I covered in the previous video. The devs are also planning on implementing token tipping and eventually our own Plebbit domains, which could be used for anti-spam challenges. Remember, you control the destiny of your sub-Plebbit. Plebbit is not just a social media protocol, but a property rights protocol giving you ownership and full customizability of your public community. Lastly, the devs are always open to suggestions as this is an open source project to benefit humanity. As always, thanks for watching.